This guide provides instructions for performing various operations on Zycoo devices using the Axxone One platform. These operations include adding or removing devices, broadcasting and monitoring and applying API settings to manage music playing or relay triggering. Ensure that Axxone One platform has been successfully installed before proceeding with any operations. Make sure that the OnVIF settings on the device's management page are activated. The username and password here is the credentials for adding device in the Axxone One platform. Adding devices. First, launch the Axxone One client and log into the system. Second, click on the configuration management icon in the upper right corner. Then, navigate to the devices menu and select a device option. Third, click on the search option to initiate the automatic scanning process. Choose the target device and proceed to configure the following settings. Vendor. Specify OnVIF genetic. Username. Admin, which is the default credential for Zycoo device. Password. Admin, which is the default credential for Zycoo device. Name. Enter a described name for the device. After completing the configuration, click on the plus button in the right side to add the device to the system. The picture shows that the device has been added. Broadcasting and monitoring. Select the device, and then configure the Enable field for both the speaker and microphone to Yes to activate the broadcasting and monitoring functions. Select Apply button to save the changes. Then, click on the button in the top left corner to access a new window and create a new layout. Select the device from the device tree on left side and drag it to the right pane. Then, click on the button to save the changes. You may now enable the speaker icon to hear the audio from the device, and adjust the volume level by dragging the volume slider. Enabling microphone icon to broadcast audio to your device, using the microphone connected to your Axxone One. Ensure that you click on Save icon to save the changes. Otherwise, the microphone icon may not appear. Note: ensure that you have selected the correct audio source connected to the Axxone One before broadcasting audio to your device. Relay triggering. Select the device and configure the Enable field of the output to Yes. Then, click on Apply button to save the changes. Subsequently, the This icon will appear on the device pane. Click on the icon to activate the relay output and click again to deactivate it.